Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing the unboxing of the May 2025 Witch Casket. I received it in the mail, excuse me, yesterday. And I'll just get it cut open here. So I'm not sure if I am going to upload last month's casket or not. The lighting for the video was terrible. And so here we are. That's the May Witch Casket 2025. So just a quick pause to change my microphone. If I don't wear the ones in my earbuds, every time I move closer away from the camera, my voice gets louder or quieter. So today, quickly before we start, you'll see on the sides here, I have these two shelf units. Well, if you're ever wondering how to recycle your Witch Casket cardboard box, you could make these little shelves. They're quite cute. All I did was I cut the top of the box, made a shelf in each one, and then I painted the whole inside out, and then I added some sparkly glue. This one here, I've added the lights already. This one here, I haven't added lights, and I'm not too sure I'm going to add lights to this one because it's kind of a dark theme, whereas this one is sparkly and bright. So I'll do a little zoom in on those later. But for now that I sound like I'm out of breath from running up and down the stairs, we'll get started on the May 2025 Witch Casket unboxing. So here we are. And this month's theme is magical energy. And just going to move everything back out of the way. Well, that fits extremely well. It's nice when things fit well. So magical energy, May 2025. And hello, our beautiful Witch Casket family. Here's your May Witch Casket, and this month it is all about magical energy. We hope this casket and its contents will help you to harness and direct energy to manifest your desires. So here's the artwork on the inside. Very pretty. I'm just going to set that off to the side and we'll go through it later. And here's our monthly manifestation art card for May 2025. Monthly manifestations on the back. Very nice. And, ooh, seeing how it says what it is right on the front here. I'll open this one first. And this says Magical Wooden Wand Stand. A beautifully designed and crafted stand to hold up to 3 magical wands, or 3 magic wands. So this would be a Witch Casket exclusive. We get to put it together, looks like. Oh, another part. Oh, that's just packing. So we'll stick that back in the box. Set that there. Oh, nice. I love the moon theme. Cute. And it looks like, so I'm going to have to say, whether you want the Witch Casket showing or not, you could do either or. And these would just pop in just like, maybe, if I can see what I'm doing. Oh yeah. Oh, that one's a little bit tight. Let's try this one on this side. Yeah, and this one on this side. That way we don't have to do any adjusting. Perfect. So one wand would sit here, and one wand would sit here, and then you can have a third here. That's neat. Very neat. So we'll set that there. And next we'll do this. Meditation grounding mat. Now it's going to be a little bit of a glare on here, I think, with this new lighting. So I'll try and mitigate it as best I can. A focal point for your meditation and grounding. Use this beautiful mat as a place of peace and tranquility, a place to come to stand or sit when you need to ground yourself and meditate. We created this mat as a symbolic safe space for you to relax and tune into the universe. Very nice. I'll put this up on the side here. That way it won't have the glare on it. Let's just do it this way. See kind of a pattern. Oh, it's a circle. Cool. And it's got a... Boy, I'll have to zoom out later on so you get the full picture of the mat. It's black on one side and it's double layered. So really nice, thick, good quality. There you go. So that is the grounding mat, and I love that it is a circle. You will be hearing hot rods zipping by today. There is a car show not far from my house. My camera just shut off for no darn good reason. So peach aventurine, a magical stone which can help to soothe anxiety and stress and boost confidence. Through calming, peach aventurine is believed to boost energy, making it a powerful aid to magical work. Very pretty. There you go. And oh, we have another organza bag here. So let's see, there's a few things in here. Put the bag over there. Ooh, those look like fluorite chips. Nice. Okay, my camera shut off again. It looks like I've run out of memory on my 8K card, so I've switched to my 4K card. And so this is a charm bag, an enchanting charm to raise your vibration and enhance your magical energy. Here's what it contains. Allspice berries in number 1, nettle in number 2, fluorite chips, and a violet colored pouch. Yes, matches my shirt. So nice. It says sit with each item and imbue it with your intention that this will attract magical energy. Place all the items in the pouch and tie it firmly closed. Take the charm bag in your hand and state the following. Nature's gifts, I ask of ye, attract magical energy, as I will it, so mote it be. Very nice. I like that. We have magical energy incense. Light the incense and affirm, magical energy rise in me, as I will it, so mote it be. And this is an energizing blend of osmanthus and cedar. And here we have this month's Witch Casket pin. And it's enamel with dark crystals. And it looks like energy mist. And it's got some stars in there. I like the white with the black. And then there is the artwork on the back. So very nice. And next we have, let's do the scroll next. Need muscles to get that off. So I'm just going to unroll it away from the camera so it's not so noisy. Okay, magical energy. All energy is magical. Everything is made from energy. It runs through and around everything. And it is this energy that witches use in their magic to effect change. This energy can not only be used in magic spells, but also everyday life. We attract the energy we put out. So if we give out loving energy or joyous energy, we attract the same. So it pays to be mindful of our own energy. Grounding and centering is at the core of magic. It's how we harness the energy from the earth and use it in our magical work. So how to ground and center. So I'll set that there. And next is how we can see this one. Glass rainwater bowl. Collect rainwater to use in cleansing baths, to use for potions, to cleanse and anoint altar tools and candles, etc. And of course, to represent the element of water on your altar. Nice. Rainwater is powerful for cleansing and purifying. It is also associated with intuition, fertility, and healing. The artwork on here. It's almost like leather. All right, let's see what we have. Okay. Oh, nice. Look at the clouds, stars, some rain on the bottom there. I don't know if you can see that very well, but should be able to. There you go. Sweet. And of course it says Witch Casket. And this nice smoky gray color, almost the color of smoky quartz. Very pretty. I like that. And then I believe we have one more item in the box. Yes. Oh, okay. Magic wand. Sweet. So use this exclusive guava wood wand to channel and direct energy and cast protective circles. This archetypal magical tool is inscribed with magical sigils, which symbolize power and protection. Nice. Oh, that's exciting. Oh. Okay, very cool. I'll set the box right down there. I'll move that over here. Let's put that right up there. Okay, so here is the wand, and these are the sigils that they are inscribed with. Sort of a square shape, and the sigils are on all four sides. Very nice. It's quite long. So let's see, get it all in the shot there. Very nice. Huh, I like that. So that can go right on the wand stand. Perfect. Okay, so that looks to be all the contents of our Witch Casket for May 2025. Let's just check the book and see if there's any other extra information in here, which there is. And so the magical wooden wand, it has the definitions of the symbols, and pentacle for protection, urus for strength and determination, ansus for communication, insight, and vision, dagas for clarity, truth, and success, and Gera for manifestation, celebration, and prosperity. Nice. And the wand stand, a beautifully designed and crafted stand to hold up to 3 magical wands, lovingly crafted from acacia wood, known for its protective qualities. That's very cool. That's going to look really nice. And of course our meditation and grounding mat. And then the rainwater bowl, and it's just the same as what we read on the box. And our Magickal Energy Charm Bag Kit. And it looks like everything in this box too, and I forget to mention that in other videos, is they're all Witch Casket exclusives. So you will not find these anywhere else. So our Magickal Energy Incense. And of course there's no artificial fragrances in any of these incenses. And the Crystal Vibration Enamel Pin. A beautiful treasure to celebrate the magical energy of crystals. Nice. And our Peach Aventurine Tumbled Stone and info card. And our Magickal Energy Parchment Scroll. And then the Mystical Magic Art Print. Here, I'll pick that up so you can have another look at it. This bewitching art print was designed exclusively for you by our in-house designer, Faye. And it's very pretty. So there's that. My little kittens here are making a lot of racket, chattering away. I believe there's a chipmunk outside. So that's me, and I will be doing the June casket as well. So I'll put some still photos of these little units these little shelf units I made with the empty Witch Casket boxes, and you can have a look and see if maybe it's something you might be interested in doing yourself. So, and they look great on a shelf, or in this case as a backdrop, and it just gives you an extra space to house some of the items that you actually get in the Witch Casket, and it's a nice way to display things. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please like and give me a thumbs up, and we shall see you in the June 2025 unboxing of the Witch Casket.